done our food festival. We have not done during the Corona in 21 and 22. Otherwise, from starting 2005, every year we celebrate and give a platform to our students what skills they have learned in order to showcase their skills with respect to food preparation, food service, and plus how the big events like this with 100 plus guests, how to handle the situation. So they get the live situation of doing this. So this year, since we are celebrating the 75th anniversary of our independence, we have decided for some unique theme which is called Ahar Sattva Sattva Suddhi. And on this special occasion, we have invited the chef from the hotel industry. Presently, Chef Presidency is present, and our beloved Chairman Sanjeevi Sir, Javadekar Sir, Bothra Sir, Mullah Sir, they always have supporting hand, and even everybody from Double Tree by Hilton, Madam is always there.
Mr. Rishi.
Rishi. They are also, and many more few guests we are expecting to come. So this is a very unique thing in which we are in a Corona time. We are in a great pain to how to increase the immunity. It is not a jadoo by having some medicines and we get the immunity done. Immunity is a regular process, what we and how we are eating and what we are eating. And that's make our body immune to fight any kind of virus. Keeping that in mind, we have thought to keep this Ahara Suddha Sattva Suddhi is a meaning that how our mind gets pure with the pure food. And purity of the food depends upon your raw materials. It depends upon the oil which you are using, the method of preparation, the spices, and in which utensil we are making. All this we have taken care of in order to make it your food really pure so that our mind get the pure. That's our main intention. Okay? And this is really students have for last 60 days they are referring the many books of Vedas, Puranas, and they come across with such a recipes that is called the gross recipes, which is not common right now. Even in a 5-star hotel, we are not getting because it's very much the fusion cuisine has come. Our Indian cuisine has got fusion with the Western one, continental and many other countries. So our Puranic food, which is famous for that, we are the leader in that. We have forgotten our past, and that's we are suffering. So we have also selected as menu item all those lost recipes of India. We have selected the 5 different states in Maharashtra. And Maharashtra, of course, there Punjab is there, Uttar Pradesh is there, Odisha is there. From this best of the recipes, which is really good for immunity boosting and keeping our health for beauty and wellness, we have selected those items, and out of this, we have made a very unique balanced diet. If we take, we can say that we can improve our immunity. So this is a very long process of the students do the survey, and after that they have tried it, and then after that they have made it. You will realize this in the due course when these items made will be served in style to you also in a different way, different fashion. This is really always a great show. We are also getting support from the many of the sponsors, like our regular one, the Everest, even from different hotels, even our travel consultant, many educationists consultant, they are also helping us. So this is always a great show. A student taking part, only unfortunately the 1 year is not present, second year. So it is a combination of third and first year, every year. So normally we do in the month of Feb or Jan, but this year we have little bit delay because of exam. But we keep the tradition of doing this. So I will just request the chef during the feedback, he has to grade us that how we made the food, how the foods are served, and how we have able to highlight our event of making and serving the food in style, which by highlighting our tradition of Indian food as per our Vedas and Puranas to increase our health with respect to wellness. So only best wishes to my students to do the next part of that. And thank you, sir, Sanjay sir, Putra sir, Mullah sir, Jodekar sir, always motivating, and Seth is always there, Pradyuman Seth, for coming. Really, sir, it's a great motivation to our students. I think that need your feedback also at the last. So thank you. And we'll see now our little bit of cultural program also associated with that. So we have taken the state which our cuisine we have taken. So people are also presenting the flavor of their custom and tradition of that particular state. So we'll find a due course. The students will also a very small cultural program highlighting those states from where we have taken the lost recipe. Thank you.